So, you want to update the address details for your Overseas Citizen of India OCI card through the official online portal, particularly if you are residing in the USA. I got you. For overseas citizens of India residing in the USA, keeping your OCI information like your current address updated is an important step. You will need to use the OCI Miscellaneous Services option on the official Government of India OCI portal. On the portal, select this service and fill out the online application form with your new U.S. address and other relevant details. You will also be required to upload supporting documents, typically including a copy of your current OCI card, your current passport, and proof of your new address in the USA. While a new OCI card is not always reissued for just an address change, updating these details online is essential to keep your record current with the Indian authorities. And that's it.